Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for October and I have got Plouise. It's got my address on the back there. This is the Plouise budget box subscription. If you want to learn a little bit more about it, then carry on watching. But as always, if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's inside their October box, then you will find a timestamp down below in my comments, so you're free to flick forward. The Plouise budget box costs £30 a month, and to the UK it's an additional £1 shipping. It does ship internationally and shipping is calculated at checkout. Even though you're seeing this unboxing in October, this is actually their September box. They send out all their budget boxes at the end of the month and then you receive them the first week or two of the following month. If you were to subscribe now in October, you will not receive this box because this is the September box. You will receive the October box at the beginning of November. Now they do have one-off boxes for the same price. If they're still available, they'll show up online, but they have been known to sell out. I'll pop all details to the subscription and to the website down below in my description. There's no codes or any discounts, not that I'm aware of. When I signed up for the subscription, I had a look everywhere and I couldn't find any discounts. But if ever I were to come across one, I'll always pop it down in my description. Although there's no information in the box about the products, the value is always way above the cost of the box. Plus we get exclusives as well, which is always exciting. The aim of this box is to help makeup artists build a kit. If you're not a makeup artist like me, I used to do makeup years ago. I am trained in it. I've got qualifications. I do the odd wedding, night out, ball now and again, but it's not my job anymore. So I don't really need to build a kit. But I absolutely adore Plouise cosmetics, what I've tried so far anyway, and I'm gathering up a little collection of their products so then I'm able to do a full face video on YouTube to share with you. It's my most expensive monthly subscription, but I do really like it. Because these boxes are aimed for makeup artists, you might find repeat products in different shades. For instance, a couple of months ago we had 4 or 5 bronzers, then we had like 4 blushes in different shades as well. So that's something to bear in mind. But the last box or two have been really great, especially last month's. Last month's was amazing, really good. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If there's anything I've missed out, then please ask away. But yeah, let's get on to showing you what's inside. Give you a sneak peek, lots of products in there. First up, we have got 4 liquid pigments. These are wet set in gorgeous autumnal shades. So there's 4 here. So let's open up Forest Feel. It's a wet and set setting pigment. So it can be used alone or as a eyeshadow base to apply shadows on top. Yeah, glitter would be really good actually before it dries down. Wow. And you only need a tiny bit. Who's that? Next we've got Teal Talk. Its creamy crease proof formula allows for effortless application and is the easiest solution for all skill levels. Wet and Set's built-in base technology means it can be applied directly onto the skin for a quick fix. Okay, only the liquid came out of that one. But that's a nice teal blue shade there. My camera went flat. And then I changed the battery and I forgot to press record. So I've been testing out all these products on my hand for no reason. Oh, basically, I tested all these wet sets out on my hand there. And ignore those there. And these are the shades there. My initial thoughts are, wow, these are really bright. I thought they'd be more autumnal, you know, more muted shades. Me personally, I am more likely to use them as eyeliners. I love a green, bold liquid eyeliner, or maybe a very thin yellow line on top of a black liner, which I've done before. Yeah, they're really nice for doing liquid eyeliners, but as bold eyeshadows, yeah, unless I was feeling really experimental, then I'm not too sure. Next I went on to showing you lip drips. There's 2 here, one in Morning Coffee and one in 90s Baby. Gorgeous packaging. Can you see the drips there? They're really lovely. So Morning Coffee is this one up here, and then 90s Baby is that one down there. Very similar to Rimmel Heather Shimmer. Any of you lot remember that? I don't normally go for shades that dark on me because it's a lip gloss. I can smudge that out on my lips and I'm sure it'd be fine. Yeah, these are lovely. I just love the packaging of P. Louise products. They're beautiful, aren't they? So there's those. Then we've got a Line Up Your Priorities Babe. This is an intense colour so you can stay all day. This is a smoochy lip pencil in Such a Flirt, maybe? Not a lip pencil shade I would use. I'm sure in last month's box we had brownie shades of lip pencils. Was that the month before? I can't remember now. Temptation, that is the shade, Temptation. So there's that. This is It Takes Two. Half of My Heart Belongs to You. I think it's an eyeshadow palette. Or some form palette anyway. Best Friends Can Never Be Apart. Maybe it's distance but never in heart. Press Pigment Palette. Oh, it's pretty. Hey. Oh, it's got Hollywood lights on it. Oh my gosh, the colours are absolutely stunning. But, oh my gosh, look. You see those lights? Look, they go off. Hold on. Can you see that? How cool is that? That is amazing. Got two little Hollywood lights. And these are the shades. If you love your coppers, wow, look at that. That looks absolutely stunning. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to try that right now. P. Louise eyeshadows are amazing. They are, oh my gosh, look. Look at that. That is beautiful. Oh, and this reddy sunsetty one as well. Yeah. Can you see? That's just stunning. What's the matte brown like? Let's try that in the middle there. There. See? They're just such gorgeous eyeshadows. They're not powdery, they're like buttery smooth. And I'm really impressed with that mirror. So handy. So handy. Doing your makeup in the dark room, maybe. Oh, I love it. I wonder if it's new. Really happy with that. So there you go. So those are all the products in this month's or September's budget box. Those are all the shades, lip liners, lip glosses, eyeshadows. Yeah, there you go. Pretty hand. So we've got a set of 4 wet sets. We've got 2 lip drips, lip glosses. We've got a brownie shade lip liner called Temptation. And we've got this amazing It Takes Two palette with the lights on the mirror. Genius idea. Really great. I'm really happy this month. The only item I'm going to pass on is the lip liner, but everything else I'm going to keep. Hopefully the lip drips won't be too dark for me, but I'm just going to smudge it onto my lips just to give some gloss and a little bit of colour. They suit me better that way. But yeah, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Are you a P. Louise budget box subscriber? How do you think it compares to previous months? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. Even if you're watching this for the first time, I'd love to know what you think of it. So thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. Take care. Bye.